Have you ever asked someone to take a photo of you and you notice something was photobombing you at the background? Or you want to change or erase something on your photo without learning how to use Photoshop? You can now save those photos with the Canva AI tool called Magic Studio. I'm Ezigbo Ijeoma, and in this channel, I make tutorial videos on productivity softwares like Google Sheets, graphic design with Canva and CorelDRAW, video editing, and other non-coding tech skills. And in this video, I'll be teaching you how to edit your photos using Canva AI tool called Magic Studio and other photo effects that I know you will enjoy. Let's dive in. I changed this to landscape so you will see what I'm doing clearly. To edit photos on Canva app using phone, the first thing you will do is to upload the pictures you want to edit on the Canva app through gallery, and you can as well do that through upload. The first thing you will see there on Canva in picture editing is style. In style, it gives you the opportunity to add border and corner to the picture. For the border, you can choose line, increase thickness of the border. You can choose this, like dotted lines, and the rest of it. You can increase the thickness and then increase the roundness. You can as well change the border color through border color. The next one is effect. Under effect, you see BG remove. To remove background, click on the picture you want to remove the background, then click on BG remove. Just once it will load and remove the BG. The good thing about the new Canva settings is that it gives you the opportunity to reset if you no longer want what you have done. I can just click reset and then confirm, and the background I've removed, I will restore it. The next one is Magic Erase. In Magic Erase, when I click on brush and increase the brush size, I am the one to remove whatever parts that I don't want to appear in my picture or photo, just like an eraser. For the tab, just click on tab and on the unwanted parts of the picture, and it will be erased from the picture automatically. The next one is Magic Grab. In Magic Grab, I can brush the same way I did in Magic Erase to remove any unwanted object on my photo. Magic Grab kind of detaches the image or whatever thing that you want to grab out of the background. For tab, you just need a click on the object you want to detach from the background, just like I did to my picture. Grab text. For grab text, you can use tab to detach a particular text from a picture, or you can use all text to detach all the written words on that picture. Grab text allows you to edit text on a picture. The next one is Magic Edit. Magic Edit allows you to remove objects and replace it with another. For example, these fruits inside this plate, I can remove it and replace it with another. You can use brush and erase the same way we do in eraser, and you can use tab. If I use tab and then tap on this particular one, I'm just tapping on everything that I want to remove. And then next, under describe your edit, you will now write what you want to be inside that plate. For mine, I will write apple and then generate. It will show you different apples on a plate for you to choose from. But if you don't like the examples there, you can as well click on generate again for you to see other examples. The next tool under Magic Studio is Magic Expand. In Magic Expand, I can use Smart Crop to allow the AI to crop out unnecessary parts of the picture on its own. For ratio aspects, you are the one to choose the size you want. 16:9, 9:16, and so on. Rotate is just to rotate the picture around to change the angle of the picture. For the Magic Expand, you can expand the whole page. Then choose the preview that you like, or choose the particular size that you want yourself. The picture will automatically expand on its own to that size. The next thing I'll discuss in this lesson is mock-up. Mock-up is just placing a picture or photo on another object. To mock up on an object or print, highlight the picture you want to use. Click on Effects. Then on Apps, select the one you want to use. You will notice that my picture has been placed on that computer on the table. You can as well just click on Mockup. Select the object you want to mock up on. Reduce the size of the picture you want to use and drag it close to the object, and it will automatically be placed on that object on its own. If you stayed this far, remember to like my video and subscribe to my channel, because in my next video, I'm going to teach you how to get a lifetime access to Canva Pro for free, so you'll be able to access these features.